Hello guys, so today we will see how we can use a Python script to create backups of our existing cost categories. I will show you all the options that this script can do. So as of now, I can see that it is listing all the cost categories that I have in my account. Now I will take a backup of a particular cost category. As you can see, it is listing all the UUID of all the cost categories, and the backup has been saved to a particular location for the sales cost category. And now I will delete the cost category and restore it from the backup that I have taken in the last step. So I'll just copy the path and paste it over here. And as you can see, it has restored the cost category successfully. I will just refresh the page. And you can see the cost category has been restored with the same name. And now I will also show you that how we can restore using the same backup but we can create a new cost category using the same backup. So as you can see, I have created sales 2025 using the same backup, and it is a duplicate of the earlier sales cost category. Now guys, I will show you another functionality that how we can take backup of all the existing cost categories using the same script. So as you can see that it is taking backup of all the cost category and placing the JSON files in the backup folder. And now I will delete each of the cost categories. And restore all these cost categories at one go from all the backups. So as you can see that it has restored all the cost categories using the backups. So if you want, you can also restore using the same names, but yeah, it can act as a identifier that this particular cost category has been restored, so it adds the functionality. So now let me show you how you can also restore the cost categories using their original names. So let me first take the backup of the existing cost categories. And now let me delete all the cost categories that I have. And now when I'll try to restore these cost categories from the backup, it will ask me whether I want to enable auto rename to avoid conflict. If I select no over here, then the old names of the cost categories will be restored. As you can see, I have got all the cost categories with the old names, which is restored from the backup. I have uploaded this script in a GitHub repository and I will add the link in the description. Just make sure all you need is the back token to be generated from the Harness UI, and all these details is mentioned in the description of this GitHub repository. So yeah, that's all.